Are you ready to transform your garden into a stunning modern masterpiece with just one plant? It's time to discover the hidden gem of landscaping, California Lilac. You won't believe how versatile and easy it is to use in your outdoor space. Now, if you think California Lilac is just another flowering shrub, think again. This vibrant, hardy plant can completely change the look of your garden in ways you've never imagined. Let's dive into the creative uses that will blow your mind.
Living privacy screen.
First up, picture this, a natural privacy screen that's not only lush and green, but bursts into gorgeous purple-blue blooms in spring. California Lilac can be shaped into a hedge, giving you both privacy and a beautiful view. Whether you're looking to shield your backyard from nosy neighbors or create a peaceful retreat, this plant has you covered. And the best part, it's low maintenance. Ground cover with a pop of color. Tired of boring, plain ground cover? Let California Lilac sweep across your garden like a living carpet. It works wonders in large, open spaces and slopes, filling them with vibrant color and texture. Plus, it helps prevent soil erosion, so it's beautiful and practical at the same time. Modern accent plant. Want to add a modern touch to your landscape without going overboard? California Lilac is your answer. Plant it next to rocks, concrete pathways, or metal accents, and watch it pop against those sleek, modern elements. The contrast between the soft flowers and hard materials creates a stunning visual balance. Wildlife heaven. If you love a garden that's buzzing with life, this plant is a must-have. California Lilac attracts butterflies, hummingbirds, and bees, turning your garden into a haven for wildlife. Imagine sitting in your yard, surrounded by fluttering wings and the gentle hum of nature. It's pure magic. Low water, drought-tolerant beauty. Let's talk about one of the biggest benefits. California Lilac is drought-tolerant. In today's world where water conservation is more important than ever, this plant thrives with minimal watering. It's a game changer for anyone in dry or drought-prone areas. So whether you're looking to create a modern oasis, add vibrant color, or attract pollinators, California Lilac is the ultimate landscaping powerhouse. It's beautiful, practical, and incredibly versatile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative landscaping tips. And let us know in the comments why you plan to use California Lilac in your garden.